Oh, no, not again. He's running away.
Mr. Crushman was some totally awesome news. Stay in your seats because you're about to start riding it again, dudes. Rock on.
Where are you, son? Nemo. Oh, no, not again.
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for all the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
White stripes, it looks kind of like people smaller.
Yes, have you seen them?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Ooh,
I can
jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Oh, now. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Peekaboo, watch out. Ah! Like I'm scared now. Oh, what is me?
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener.
Stop fooling around!
Fish are friends of food. I wonder if brown fish taste good. Nemo, why don't you come by for a bite? Oh, what a beautiful. Welcome to the EAC, Lieutenant. Whoa! Check out the Minnie Marlin! Woohoo! Okay, little dudes!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
It's all our friends. It's the big blue world. There's so much to know.
All right, don't hurt yourself.
In the big blue world.
Big old blue.
I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world. I've never seen before. So many creatures. Too many creatures. Swimming past the sea.
Did you know yesterday 18,257 people came to Earth? And it's exactly 3.2 seconds between flights.